Hi, Mr. Paris here. Just thought I'd share how I decorated a spiral notebook. I decided to go with a train theme on this one, so this background paper is the actual side of a train from one of my paper packs. And then, of course, some pictures of train. This is corrugated cardboard that I painted to look like steel and tried to rust it a little bit. Put some fabric on it and a train ticket. I've not yet decided on a title for my book. A little clock face here. Use vinyl to cover the spring. And the pin is here. And down here I put a little leather tie on the end of the spring so it hangs out, looks interesting. I actually keep it closed via these leather ties. This is the back of the book. We can go inside. Now I had this envelope and I decided to use it as the tuck spot. So I put a piece of cardstock inside so it made it a little stiffer so it holds its shape, and decorated that up. It says, "Embrace change with open arms." This was to me from Kay Comer. I enjoyed it, so I kept it. And the dividers, there were still 3 dividers in here, so I used a machine paper I got off of Etsy. I painted black all the way around the edge so it would look nice. This is stamps I got from Eva from Bohemian Crafting. In the envelopes I just glued a piece of paper in the back so it looked like there was something inside. The other side, I think this is a printed newspaper, not a real one. Some more stamps from Eva. Again, decorated the envelope. I like the paper, so I hated to cover them up, so most of the envelopes open like this. So these were printed from the internet, from Etsy. And this one I opened on the end. There is actually nothing in them, except I glued the paper inside. So this one folds down. And I decided to ink that blue. This is a map and airmail. Next divider. Again, machine page. The day book. There's nothing in it. The journey is never truly over, it just changed course. And then this is the back. Inside back. Train ticket again. This is a pharmacy bag, so I can put pencils or pens, whatever, inside there. So that is my share. I hope you enjoyed it.